Hello again guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel, Lutuing Pinoy Abroad with Elmer and Desiree. Today, I'll be going to show you how to make an ice cream with chocolate Oreo flavoring. By the way guys, most of our viewers are non-subscribers, so consider giving us a follow by subscribing. It's free and it will help us continue to grow our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Now, here are our ingredients. Chocolate Oreo biscuit, thick double cream or all-purpose cream, and condensed milk. Now, let's start preparing the ingredients for this ice cream. Start with the Oreo biscuit. We have to crush it and any equipment or tools that you prefer. Through the years, different flavoring of an ice cream are being made and served. And this chocolate Oreo biscuit have a taste that complement to our refreshing taste of our ice cream that satisfies our cravings for this delicious dessert of an ice cream with chocolate taste and a twist of crunchy sensation in our mouth. Now that the biscuit is ready, set aside. Using an electric blender, we're going to whisk our double cream. It should be pre-chilled so that a stiff peak consistency is easily achieved through whisking. This stage is now ready. We're adding other ingredients like the condensed milk. Just fold it into the cream until fully incorporated with each other. Now it's time to add our crushed Oreo biscuit gradually and fold it into the mixture until fully incorporated with each other. The more biscuit added, the more tastier our ice cream dessert. For you guys, for more related videos of DIY and cooking, please visit our YouTube channel, Facebook page, TikTok, and Instagram at Lutuing Pinoy Abroad. Also, feel free to comment, like, and share, and suggest to improve our channel. Now it's ready to transfer into a container for further process of freezing. For a more flavorful taste of this chocolate Oreo ice cream, just top it with some Oreo and freeze it for 6 hours or more for a refreshing taste of this delicious dessert. After 6 hours, we're going to try our chocolate Oreo ice cream. It is now ready to serve and enjoy with your family and loved ones this homemade chocolate Oreo ice cream and beat the heat with this delicious dessert. Also, you can top it with chocolate syrup before serving and enjoy this homemade chocolate Oreo ice cream. You can share this recipe for your family and loved ones on a special occasion, especially on this kind of weather, to enjoy the taste of this refreshing ice cream. Thank you very much for watching. God bless. Enjoy cooking. Happy eating. Bye-bye.